Dave Gaudette. I'm from Sluff's Grab Handles. I'm the Sluff. If you're watching the video, you bought a set of my handles and you're looking for install instructions on how to do it, you checked out my website and sluffsgrabhandles.com, and I'm here to show you a little bit on how to put them together so there's no questions. First of all, you're going to get the package like this that you bought at one of the stores or online. If you ordered it off of eBay, it came in a box pretty much put together, and you just open the box and follow the instructions. First of all, cut the vacuum seal. Everything's vacuum packed. Close your knife. When you pull your handles out, they're going to come out in multiple pieces. You'll have two short handles with black wraparound straps, which are here. You'll have a set of long handles if you purchased a smaller set for the JKU, and you'll have an extra set of handles if you purchase the full set for the JKU. Okay? So first of all, let me show you a couple different options you have. If you bought a handle and you're going to have the regular traditional grab handle like this, it's very easy. You take your black straps, you feed it up around the roll bar if you can. Hard tops are always fun, but it will get up there. It's been a while since I've had to put it on with a hard top, but oh, that explains it. It's in that little hole there. It'll be much easier with a soft top if you guys are doing this with a soft top. Alright, so there we go. First one is fed up and around, just like that. And you'll repeat for the rear. You'll feed it up and around that sport bar. Jeep calls them a roll bar, but they're really a sport bar. They'll offer minimal protection in a rollover, but they will offer protection, and they're great for attaching accessories to. I know I'm kind of making this look like a bear, but
you're in the hole again.
It's not, am I? Alright, come back a little bit. Try to get a little more room around this sport bar, coming a little further back. You can probably make this easier on yourself if you use like a small fish wire or something along those lines. But there you go, okay? And you have two stainless steel shackles. These are 600-pound shackles and only stainless steel, made in the US. We won't use anything made from China at all. And if that's what you're looking for, you probably should look somewhere else. Unscrew the anchor pin like that, and it just falls out. Take your other end of the loop, and so you don't let it fall out. And just feed it through. Hard to see. Once it's through, put your shackle pin back in. And then repeat on the other side. Sorry, it's supposed to be really, really tight. So you want it so it's not moving around a lot. All right, there we go. There's one. You want to get it through all 3 loops. That makes the handles able to hold 1,500 pounds, which is stronger than I think your sport bar will hold. But there it goes. All right. So get your pin back through again. Kind of a little longer process than I'd hope, but that's fine. All right. And then you can adjust it out so it's not hanging down. And that's your grab handle in the front. Now you can put as much weight on that as you want. It's not going to break at all. Okay? And when you're not wheeling, you can either take it off or just leave it there. It's also decorative. I'm using a lime green. This is the Gecko green for this install video, just so you can see it better. Normally I'd put a nice charcoal gray with this Jeep, but this is just for the video purposes. All right. That's your front handle installation. Thanks for your time.